Today's adventure, I gotta try to find out why I lose a fuse in that Lennox Harmony 3 every once in a while. First, before I did that, I had a maintenance on this locking bar, so I'm gonna get it back together so I could start the fun part, the troubleshooting. Okay, now for the main event. This Harmony blows fuses every once in a while. It's been a few months since the last time 3-amp fuse blew, which is the panel fuse, protects the whole panel. Your zone dampers go through it. Rather you lose this and blow through fuses. Fans on. We're not going to come on until the aquastat makes. I haven't had a chance to try it at all. Yeah, I got that access to my email, so I could open it up from the computer to download the email right onto the generator laptop. Yes, that actually allows me to plug into the controller of the generator, and then I can make adjustments and tweaks, because I know we've had several this week with hunting issues that Chris has been playing with.
Yeah, I got one right now with a boss.
One with a boss, and then you got one over in, whatchamacallit. You have one in Denville that, I forgot the company's name. I haven't been out there in a while, but I know that is hunting pretty bad. Yeah, because I know Chris has been calling me all the time, and I told him without SiteTech, I can't help him anymore, because like what he's explaining, SiteTech, you can actually get in and make adjustments and smooth out most of that hunting. Yeah, I'm sure it'll give us access long enough till we get to the training, hopefully, because I think it's like it's only good for like 30 or 60 days, and then you got to keep re-downloading it. The SiteTech. All right. Yeah. All right. No problem. All right, bye. Okay, back to this. Well, one of the first things I checked, I noticed that's not right. Let me go to R, and I got 20, so I'm not on R to R, and I got 55. My transformers are out of sync, so my zoning and my equipment transformers are not synced correctly. Well, this guy's getting warm. Let me turn this off. I know this works, and I'm gonna go do that, but not with everybody. This is what I'm really trying to get to the bottom of now. So see what needs to be done to correct the phasing of the system. red's hooked to load. And that's what I'm moving here. Black from here. Coming down into here. And that's my thermostat stuff, so not this, that's my condenser. Here we go. Common. Okay. Feeling that. Just needs to be reversed. $26, 0, 25, 0, 27, 26, 0, 26, but I'm not supposed to read 56 volts R to R. RC, R, 55. Fuses not tripped. 0 on both sides of the fuse. 0. I'm out of phase now. That is a definite. This is common. That's going up to here. That's loose. I gotta tighten that. Schematic. Needs 48 as shown in B, then polarity is reversed. Confirm 0. R to R. Oh, the phone call actually made me just test something just for the sake of testing. But now we're finding out that we're out of phase. So let's disconnect that. Shouldn't be able to come on. Let's see, so from here 2, 3. So with the black connected, that's what's completing the circuit. It's going through a rib relay that's just hanging out. Board's grounded. But not permanent. That's forcing a ground. All my thermostats. Hmm. 24 common, yellow, blue, X-former 24. Let's see on my board. Two. Even that has no polarity. 22. 27. Where is my system ground? Up there. It is grounded here. Is that a good ground? But then here it's also going to be grounded. So right now I got to create polarity. It's also here, so it should be grounded. $55. Off. Let me first test before worry about permanent. There we go. Transformer was out of phase. Now I have 0. Perfect. Well, that's probably what on random occasions, it's not all the time. I think it happened 2 or 3 times in the last year. This is my first time here for this issue. I'm here for the boiler and this. So before I had 50, now I have 0. Now it's perfectly phased. Hello?
Hey Bill, it's Melissa.
Hey Melissa, how you doing?
Good. So I know you're at the Holt residence, and there was the 2 SOs.
Yes, I'm kind of like in between a little bit of both. I was like...
Yeah, that's what I was calling you about. Rather than the 2 SOs, the second call wasn't billable anyway, like the repair.
Yes.
So I just added a note onto the maintenance one.
So it's all under the maintenance, right?
Exactly. So the one you're started on is the only one there is.
All right. Yeah, because I mean, I'm kind of in the middle of doing both because it was a little tricky at first.
Yeah, no, I get it. Is everything looking good over
Oh
there?
yeah, everything's looking good. I got to the bottom of it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Would you be able to take another call when you're done with that, or you're not too sure?
Oh, I could take another call after this. Am I doing the housing authority or am I doing that generator in Ridgewood?
Well, the Ridgewood generator I got rid of, but I do have another generator one that Tony Buckner wants me to get to. I'll figure out what
Yeah, no, I could definitely take one more. I don't even know what time it is right now.
Yeah, it's 3 o'clock on the dot.
3 o'clock. Yeah, no, I won't be here much longer at all. I'm just closing everything up now.
Awesome. Thanks, Bill.
Oh, no problem. All right, bye. Can't believe somebody left this stuff like this. Just pull my fuse out, my breaker. Power's off. That's back in. And just make sure it's okay. Zero. I had to make sure it's still recording, and then when I go here, 24. Perfect. Yeah, so that's a check. Didn't know I was going to be checking for a transformer out of phase when I first got here, but what you want to do with the zoning panel, when you have 2 separate transformers, you always want them in phase. So you check your R to your equipment and R, which is a 20/40 to your panel, and you should have almost 0. 1 volt is, I'm not going to say end of the world. But 50 I didn't like. Then you have 24 here, 27, 28. Power input must be high here. Let's see what the power coming in is. Ooh, I gotta fasten that back down. Open line, because I only have it at 200. See what our power in is. 242. All right. Well, thanks for watching. I'm sure I got to the bottom of it with the transformers out of phase. That was probably on occasion causing this little fuse to blow, because it's very sporadic. I think it was 4 months ago was the last time I did it, and then before that was like another 6 or 7 months ago. So it's not like it happens all the time. It's not like it's a short that every once in a while. This is very random. Till next time, I'm out.